Make it look pretty, DJ.
There you go.
Ready?
Sure.
Welcome folks, Flipknot here. I'm here with my good friend AJ, aka the Dino Bro Special. It is officially my last day with the LiveWire. It's a sad, sad day. You know when you like foster an animal and you love it and you want to keep it, but you know you can't, so you just kind of like put that wall up of you got to keep that separation. Like you love it, you want the best for it, you hope it finds its forever home, but you got to keep that emotional distance of it, and I'm starting to really feel it now, knowing that tomorrow I have to give it back. We're gonna take it on a quickie little adventure. I found out that there's a freaking Portillo's here in Tampa right down the street. So as everybody knows, I've lived in Chicago and I love my deep dish, I love my Chicago dogs, and I absolutely love my Italian beef sandwiches. So we're gonna go pick some of those up. We're coming right back here to eat them and show you guys what that looks like. After that, we're gonna try to give the LiveWire a good and final send-off. A very much thank you, make it look as beautiful as possible. We love you. Thanks for all the fun and adventures you've given me, and I hope you have a great life. But until then, Chicago dogs. So before everybody starts posting in the comments that Chicago deep dish is not pizza, I don't care. I love Chicago pizza. I understand in the grander concept of things that it's not your New York cardboard pizzas, which I still love just as much. And yet the usual irony that I can keep making with this motorcycle is just because it isn't what you like doesn't mean it's not good. Chicago deep dish is still delicious, even if it wasn't pizza. If we considered it a pizza pie, it fits the pie category. It looks like a pie, it's got the crust, it's got the fillings, it's got the crust on top. It's a pie. Let's call it a pie. Everybody keeps using the word pizza. I just think it's delicious. Actually, yeah, most Chicago people call it deep dish. They don't even call it pizza. As excited as I am about Chicago hot dogs and Italian beef sandwiches, I am extraordinarily sad about giving up the LiveWire. I acclimated to it too easily and quickly. It has become rather normal in my day-to-day. You wake up, you unplug, you tuck in the freaking cord, and you go and you do what you do. I just, no clutch, not even worried about it, no thoughts about it. This is how you ride a motorcycle now. It's extremely quiet. You kind of have a bit of peace to yourself without everything just screaming in your face all the time. It's a great motorcycle, and I'm gonna miss it. But like all great things that come to an end, there is a new chapter ahead, and there's gonna be another motorcycle after this one, just like there will be a motorcycle after that one. And I'm not just speaking about the Softail Standard. I also mean that there's also gonna be another LiveWire 2 after this one. There's gonna be the Sportster and the Bagger and the Trikes and whatever you want out of Harley-Davidson. A Harley-Davidson needs to look like a Harley-Davidson. What does a Harley-Davidson look like? Please inform me. All right, enough being sad. Let's go ahead and try being a little fat. Welcome to Portillo's. I guess this is a Chicago staple, even though I never ate it when I was in Chicago. Okay, AJ, now to get home as fast as possible and as safe as possible. Trying to make food content when you're starving is really freaking difficult. Open up the bag so we can get this over with. Come on.
No.
Alright, French fries, cheese sauce, extra side of gravy for the Italian beefs. Great. One Italian beef and sausage combo. 2 Portillo dogs, aka Chicago dogs. jumbos. I'm sharing everything except for my Chicago dog. One, smashed in my backpack chili cheese dog. That's what you expect the chili cheese dog to look like after it comes out of a backpack. One, Maxwell Polish dog, aka mustard, fried onions, Polish sausage, always with a poppy seed bun, and I think that's all. Yes.
Oh, that's all of it.
Actually, no, they forgot to give us the extra side of the hot grenadines.
I think we're okay with that. I think we can make it work.
Yeah, I think I'll be okay with that.
You guys are determined to make me fat around here, bro.
And the view from above, and feast. So if you live in Chicago or in the Chicagoland area, I know that Portillo's is a bit of a tourist trap kind of a thing. They make good Chicago food, you're not missing out. Al's Italian Beefs is just as good, and you can find a Chicago dog anywhere else. For living in Tampa, far away from Chicago, when I have a craving, it's a good idea. I very much enjoyed it. What do you think, AJ? It is a sad, sad day in the world of Flip. Clearly a new day. My friend over here, Mr. Shoe Tree Surgeon, aka my best buddy, Josh. We had breakfast over at Farrell's over on Davis Island. I'm gonna steal his footage, because I didn't do it, and he did, so I'll steal his, because he always steals mine. Suck it, bitch.
This is my first time eating at Farrell's, so let me be the judge of this. Delicious.
Today's the day. Today's the day I gotta return the LiveWire. I was joking with Josh over breakfast where it's like, I feel like I did something wrong. Like, you only lose a bike for two reasons. You sold it, or something bad happened. You got arrested, you got impounded, you got totaled, you know, I got repoed. The only time you ever lose a vehicle is when something bad happens, or you get a little bit of money for it, which, you know, I don't know on this bike. That's unnecessary.
No bike is unnecessary. Bam! Just like that. That's all there is to it.
Vroom! Alright, on to Interstate as he drowns me out on his 86 Evo, the most obnoxious, not really exhaust. It is definitely not a week later. I am definitely not wearing exactly the same clothes I was wearing a week ago because I want to keep continuity, and that behind me is definitely not Kyle instead of Josh. So, oh man, I gotta get rid. Oh man, I'm so sad I have to get rid of the LiveWire. Oh, okay. I'm actually really sad that I have to get rid of it, but you know when you break up with somebody, no matter how much you love them, you gotta fight the urge not to call them again, but you still live together and you still gotta break the, and like, you don't want to break the lease and take the charges, so you have to be like civil, nothing personal, it just wasn't working out. That's been the last week. It's like, you can't be together, it's not gonna work, I love you, I want the best for you, but I have to kind of emotionally distance myself from you until our lease is up. I love this bike, but we're not going to be together. That's just the fact of the matter. It's the truth of the situation. And I have to emotionally distance myself from it because it'll hurt worse if I don't. Still a fantastic motorcycle. And in a last and parting word, I believe everybody should really give it a chance. Everybody should really give it a ride. Again, you don't have to buy one. No one's making you purchase this motorcycle. Enjoy the fact of it exists. Enjoy the fact that the possibilities are for a greater future is out there for everybody. It's more adventure. And it's a fast motorcycle. It's a fast as hell motorcycle. And it's only going to get faster. The range is only going to get longer. Bye, Kyle. It's the last thing I'm going to say is, you know, don't knock until you try it. That's all. Alright, Giggle Machine, you're home. We had a lot of fun. I very much enjoyed hanging out. I wish you the best. Maybe we'll reconvene another day. Good luck to you in your further endeavors. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Dude, your bike's right here.
So I have one last thing to say before I finish my journey with the LiveWire. I'm a tech guy. I love tech. I love new tech. Where some of you all wait around anxiously every year to see the new lineup of new models and motorcycles, I wait anxiously to see the new gimbal, the new camera, the new drone, the new cell phone. That's who I am. That's where I get really, really excited about things. Not that I don't love motorcycles. It's not that I don't enjoy motorcycles. Just I'm more of a tech guy. Some of you have said it in previous videos where this sounds like a sales pitch. It's not a sales pitch. It's my excitement about technology. Just like the excitement when iPhones became this amazing freaking revolutionary computer that lives in your phone, in your pocket. This cell phone has more power than what took man to the moon. It's amazing. It's crazy. It's stupid. So when it comes to electric vehicle technology, I'm just marveled by what it can be and what it will be. It's not about the now, it's about the then. That's all I gotta say, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everything you've done. You all know how this works from here. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you all on the flip side.